Greetings, Esparto Middle School families. This is Mrs. Kular, and I would like to welcome you to our virtual academic awards assembly for semester 1 of this school year. All of the students who are being honored in this video have worked hard to receive a 3.0 or higher on their report card. The entire staff at Esparto Middle School is proud of these students who have put in the hard work, dedication, and commitment in order to achieve this award today. We would also like to thank you for supporting your child at home so that they are successful in the classroom. Before we begin announcing the names of the awards recipients, I would like to first present the 3 categories for the awards tonight. The students who earned between a 3.0 and 3.49 GPA last semester are considered to be on the honor roll. The students who earned between a 3.5 and 3.9 GPA are on high honor roll. And finally, the students who earned a 4.0 GPA are on the principal's honor roll. The students will receive their certificates tomorrow. And now for the moment that you have all been waiting for, here are our award recipients. 6th grade students who earned between a 3.0 and 3.49 are Jairo Torres, Jonathan Marquez, Camila Ambriz, Adan Prado, Miguel Corona, Valeria Conrique, Aiden Yoder, Kedron Wilson, David Pantoja, Raimundo Melendres, Giancarlo Vinigas, Jairo Frosto, David Barajas, Martine Vargas, Melanie Mendiola, Randall Jacobs, Jesus Montes, Daniel Mendez, Carol Gaxiola, Dylan Castle, Colt Breckenridge, Jimena Garcia, Santiago Figueroa, Christian Figueroa, Madeline Bailey, Jacqueline Ayala Lopez, Alan Cruz Ojeda, Maya Sanchez, Seth Kitchell, Leah Hoglin Burrows, and Alejandra Chavez. 7th grade students who earned between a 3.0 and 3.49 are Victoria Fierro, Denise Hernandez, Lisa Tobin, Jaslyn Lopez, Cheyenne Munson, Tatiana Perez, Octavio Estevez, Ruben Aguilar, Juliana Luviano, Fatima Moreno, Yareli Segura, Summer C. Hapanya, Sofia Lopez, Brianna Moreno, Alexandra Melendres, Jesus Sanchez, and Brooke Hilleman. And 8th grade students who earned between a 3.0 and 3.49 are Liani Jimenez, Alicia Cruz Ojeda, David Marquez, Taylor Breckenridge, Nayeli Garabe Figueroa, and Carlos Galvin. Now on to our next category of high honor roll. 6th grade students who earned between a 3.5 and 3.99 are Selena Artiega, Yvette Avina, Diego Delgado Melendres, Sergio Gomez, Alex Harden, Alondra Hernandez, Gurveer Pooney, Jacqueline Cisneros, Kayla Hernandez, Andrea Campos, Alondra Garcia, Jace Marler, Samuel Perez, Daniel Arevalo, Amy Cano Aceves, Briseida Fierros, Erickson Martin, Jacob Guardado, Jaden Aguilar, and Alexia Chavez. 7th grade students who earned high honor roll are Adon Sotelo, Mason Perzaglia, Sergio Hernandez, Diego Hernandez Sanchez, Wyatt Johnson, Landon Yanez, and Diego Del Toro. 8th grade students who earned high honor roll are Alexandra Luna, Jamile de la Luz Ledesma, Colt Johnson, Janisha Santamaria, Irvin Zamora, Emily Mendiola, and Arileen Villarreal. Our final category is the Principal's Honor Roll. These are the students who earned all straight A's last semester, achieving a 4.0 GPA. I will start off with sixth grade again. We have one student in the sixth grade who earned the Principal's Honor Roll, and that is Christian Nagy. Our seventh graders who have earned the Principal's Honor Roll are Edgar de la Luz, Davina Moreno, and Yaritzi Solorio. And lastly, our eighth grade students who have earned the Principal's Honor Roll are Natalie Banuelos, Betsy Bermudez, Riata Chappelle, Eliel Frosto, Camila Gomez Bravo, Stephanie Junez, and Lysandra Martinez. Again, I would like to mention how proud our entire staff is of these students who have accomplished so much. Students can come pick up their honor roll certificates from the office at any time tomorrow. Thank you all for your support and for watching this award ceremony.